Okay, let me break down something I wish more people understood. When most people hear the words digital marketing, they immediately think about selling ebooks, posting pretty graphics on Instagram, or even becoming a content creator. But digital marketing is not a product, it's not a post, it's a strategy. And if you don't understand it, you're just guessing online and hoping something works. So today, I'm going to give you a real breakdown of what digital marketing actually is so you can finally stop spinning your wheels and start making intentional moves. Now, before I go into teacher mode, let me tell you why I even care about this. I've been doing digital marketing for a while now. My husband Dre and I actually ran our own digital marketing company for 3 years. We were running paid ads for companies, building out their websites, and creating commercials. Y'all, it was a full production house. And honestly, we were really good at it. Clients loved us. But here's the thing. As we grew, we realized that we were on everyone else's time. They wanted to meet when they were free. They needed edits at the last minute. We had to work around their schedules, and eventually it just became too much. So we shut it down. I never lost the love for digital marketing. So in December 2024 of last year, I made a decision. I'm going to give it another shot. And this time, I'm doing it on my terms. No more chasing clients. I'm using digital marketing to sell digital products and create freedom. And now I want to teach you how to do it too. So now we're going to talk about what is digital marketing. So let's get into it. Digital marketing is the use of the internet and online-based tools to promote products or services. This could be through social media, email marketing, paid advertising, SEO, video content, blogs, funnels, and even your website. So if you're using the internet to build awareness, create interest, and guide someone to a sale, you're using digital marketing. Now here's what it's not. It's not just throwing up a post on Instagram and hoping it goes viral. It's not just DMing random people your product link. And it's definitely not just creating an ebook and thinking that alone will make you money. Digital marketing is the system that gets eyes on your offer, nurtures those leads, and converts them into buyers. Now, let me break down some of the key types of digital marketing so you're not out here confusing your strategy. The first one we're going to discuss is social media marketing. This is using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Threads, and so on to attract your audience. This includes content creation, storytelling, and community building. Next is email marketing. This is building a list of subscribers and sending valuable content that builds trust, educates, and drives sales. Affiliate marketing. This is promoting someone else's product and earn a commission. You don't need to create your own offer. You just need a solid marketing plan. Content marketing. This is blogging, YouTube videos, podcasting. It's all about giving value so your audience can see you as the expert in your space. Paid advertising. This is using Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and so on. You're paying to get attention. If you have a solid funnel, you guys, you can scale really, really fast. When Dre and I were running ads for companies, we'd literally spend hours testing different audiences and creatives because digital marketing isn't luck. It's testing, data, and strategy. Now, let me clear up the biggest confusion I see. People think that if they sell a digital product like a course, a template, or an ebook, that they're doing digital marketing. But no, that's like opening a restaurant and thinking food will sell itself just because the kitchen is open. Your digital product is the what. Your digital marketing is the how. Without a marketing system, your product is invisible. Trust me, I can tell you that. If you've been calling yourself a digital marketer, but you don't have a system to attract, nurture, or convert leads, you're guessing. You deserve to move smarter than that. I'm here to help you understand how to build a business using digital marketing the right way, one step at a time. So in the next video, I'm going to break down how to build your very first digital marketing system, even if you have 0 followers right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if this helped you finally understand what digital marketing is. So until next time, guys, bye, and I'll see you in the next one.